How to turn on battery full charge voice notification on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can turn on battery full charge voice notification on your iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is you'll need to open up an app called Shortcuts. After you open up the app called Shortcuts, head over to the automation section that is on the bottom, and after you're on the automation section, tap on new automation. After you tap on new automation, you can scroll down till you find an option called battery label. Now tap on battery level and there you should see an option that is a slider there. So slide it up to the max, and after it's on the 100%, tap on run immediately, and after you do that, tap on next. Now what you'll need to do is you'll need to choose an action. To choose an action, simply search for speak text. I already have it right here, so I'll just tap on that. If you don't find the speak text here, simply tap on the search bar and search for it. Now what you'll need to do is simply select what you want your notification to say. So I'm just gonna put this: your iPhone is fully charged. And after you do that, simply tap on done. And now if you tap on this arrow right here, now you can select the settings here. Now what you can do is you can change the rate, the pitch, this language, the voice, and everything else. So after you've done that, tap on done and your automation is basically done. Now whenever your iPhone is fully charged, it will give you a notification with the voice. And yeah, that is all for the video too. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye.